You can see here there is this express module function, um, express variable, and express server made here with the required http dot create server, and this is parameter that is being passed here. Do notice this one, it kind of indicates the function. Yeah, here you can see the listening port is 2500. X.get handles the get request. This is the this means in here you can see the this slash means that it will handle the home page, and there's this shorthand function here, and this is the response. So response dot send file, it will send this HTML file to the client. This is for the directory setup purposes things. And what is this? In the server, you can see I have taken socket.io server property, and with that class I have made a object socket.io object, and the parameter is this server express server that is being given here as a parameter, and socket.io dot on connection, this function will execute. So this function is supposed to be executed when the connection happens. You can see there is a parameter socket connection, and in the parameter with the parameter you can see socket connection dot on message. The message that is supposed to be received here is supposed to be printed here at the console. You can now this is the server side program. You can go to the going to the HTML file. You can this is the client side, so this is what the client is supposed to get. In here you can see that I have taken the socket.io.js file from the socket.io module, and here you can see socket.io takes this io function is uh, this variable assignment, etc, etc. Socket.io dot send, and this is a string that is supposed to be sent to the server this place. So the string on the here in this place is supposed to be received as a parameter in this function, and then printed in the console. You can see I have ran the server with node and the JS file name, server file name, and in a browser, if you write local host and then the port number, which I gave 200, yeah, 2500, so 2500. So this port, if I go here, the page isn't showing anything, the HTML doesn't really have, but you can see that it says a gift from client. So yeah, the string that is here is being sent on when the page is loaded, and the page access this. If I reload this page, it is supposed to be printed again, and so this is like this. If you give a set timeout function, it can take the amount of time you give, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, etc, I suppose. So the client is sending a string to the server, and that is being printed on the console.